Hi there YouTube, so today's video is on Flamacues. Let's get into it. Okay, so the Flamacue. So I'll pop the music down below for you. Basically the Flamacue consists of a flam, 3 notes and then another flam. So I'll play it nice and slow for you, starting with right hand lead. So flam, left, right, left, flam. Okay, so it's a right hand lead flam, flam, left, right, left, flam. Okay, left hand lead, flam, right, left, right, flam. Okay, flam, right, left, right, flam. Okay, now just a quick explainer. If you're not sure what a flam is, I do have a video up with it on. But basically it's a ghost note or grace note followed by a louder note, and they're quite close together. So it's right, left, left, right. Okay, so once again, slowly, flam, left, right, left, flam, left hand lead, flam, right, left, right, flam. Okay, so now we're going to speed it up just a little bit. So flam, flam, left, right, left, flam. And left hand lead. Okay, so now why this is important, you can use it as the start to a lot of fillings, or you can even use it just as it is as a filling. So if you're playing the beat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and see, so you can use it like that. So you've got 2 sets of flams, 2 sets of Flamacues there. Or you can use it at the start and use it to build into something else. Something you can add the next 2 beats of the bar. You can go around the kit or add in a few little accents, that kind of thing. So I'll just give you an example of that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So with those last notes, you can use a little bit more spectacular with it, and you can go to add a few drags in. Or you just mess about with it basically, move it around the kit, try it on different things. You could even do your flam on 2 separate instruments. So you could start with your grace note on the floor tom, and so you get like a blah, 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 blah. So just adding in that little extra bit of texture there. Try moving it across the hi-hats. You could be playing a beat, just keeping it all on the snare drum and the hi-hats. So you can see it's quite a useful rudiment to use. So once again, nice and slow. Flam, left, right, left, flam. And left hand lead, flam, right, flam. Flam, right, left, sorry, flam, left, right, flam. Flam, right, flam. Okay? And as you speed it up. Okay? So you guys that actually watch my videos, if you want to send me a video or something of you guys playing it or upload something, please tag me in it so I can have a look. If you've got any comments or anything like that, please pop it down below. Any lessons that you want me to look into, anything you want me to do for you, please pop down below. As I said, please like, subscribe and hit that bell. It does help so much, especially with getting me out there to other people, helps me with the algorithm, especially if you comment and like the videos. So yeah, enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you again soon.